Subscription businesses' revenue has grown more than 400% over the last 9 years and has outpaced S&P 500 index sixfold. My name is Anatoly. I'm a senior product marketing manager at Bolt Commerce, and today I will explain what is so cool about subscriptions, we'll present some real-world use cases, and we'll talk about subscription solution requirements. So let's roll. Subscription adoption today is very high. Nearly 4 out of 5 adults use at least one subscription service. But if you realize that almost every content and network service such as HBO, Netflix, or even your broadband internet is a subscription service, the number makes sense. Still, subscription revenue is growing among all industries. SaaS saw the fastest growth, which is hardly surprising because the subscription has become a predominant business model in the software world. Healthcare is the second fastest growing vertical, driven primarily by the usage-based billing subscription services. Another vertical I wanted to highlight is manufacturing, which has grown less than most industries. The reason for this is that while new subscription business models such as equipment maintenance and repair, as well as data and analytics services, are very attractive, they require significant implementation heavy lifting from the manufacturer. So why subscription services are gaining popularity? The answer is simple, because they are beneficial both for consumers and the brands. Customers minimize their upfront investment as often the subscription payment is lower compared to a one-time purchase. They can also expect the brand to constantly deliver the value compared to a transactional deal. In the end, it leads to more convenience and better experience for the customer. For brand, subscription results in easier customer acquisition due to lower entry barrier. It also provides a predictable revenue stream and usually leads to a higher customer lifetime value. On average, subscribers have 178% higher lifetime value than one-time customers. Subscription turns a transactional deal into a long-term customer-brand relationship. Now let's take a look at different subscription models with some real-world examples. First model, consumer goods as a subscription. This model is very simple yet powerful. Instead of purchasing the product once, the customer subscribes to its delivery on a regular basis. It results in increased stickiness for the brand and improved convenience for the customer. A great example is Dollar Shave Club, a company that has disrupted the shaving industry and was acquired by Unilever for $1 billion. The next model is Build a Box. In this model, the customer subscribes to a regular delivery of a package box with several products, and usually they can customize the box by choosing one of or several products. Great examples are Wink wine delivery service and Box Charm for beauty products. Customer enjoys product variety while the brand benefits from the economies of scale. Service in addition to sales of physical goods. This model has become popular among many branded manufacturers as they try to expand their portfolio. A couple of examples here. Fender core business is selling guitars, but they also sell guitar lessons to their customers. Nissan core business is selling cars, but they also sell connectivity service Nissan Connect. Customers enjoy added value, while branded manufacturers can leverage existing customer base to drive incremental revenue. Next model, product as a service. In this model, customer uses a single, usually fairly expensive physical product using a subscription model. Instead of buying it, they rent it. Any car sharing a subscription service, which has become popular, is a good example. But this model is applicable not only for the mass market, but also for the enterprise market segment. Rolls-Royce sells aircraft engines as a service. Customers benefit from a predictable cost model absorbed over a long period of time, while brand benefits from lower entry barrier and increased customer stickiness. Last but not least, memberships in a club. A customer gains access to a library of physical or digital assets that they can use. Any content library such as Netflix or Spotify falls into this category. Another example is a fitness club or a bike club you pay a fixed monthly fee irrespective of whether you use the service or not. Customers benefit from variety and lower price per consumed item, while brands enjoy economies of scale and leverage over subscription. Now let's shift gears and talk about what to look for in a subscription solution. There are several major things. It needs to be API first to make sure that you can build whatever customer experience you want to differentiate your brand, including, if needed, the ability to build an own customer portal to manage subscriptions. Subscription solution needs to be flexible and configurable. As you have seen, there are many very different business models with a lot of subscription-specific capabilities, including upgrades, downgrades, order skipping, product swapping, and many others. While you need only capabilities required for your business model, you want to make sure your business requirements will not be restricted in the long run. The solution needs to provide subscription-specific customer retention capabilities such as donning management and retention discount offers. And of course, the subscription solution needs to be easily integrated with your existing e-commerce ecosystem, because most likely subscription will be just a single piece of the puzzle in the customer experience your brand wants to deliver. Subscriptions are cool. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.